Today we're here at Red Ledges at 194 Kings Peak Court. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath home. Spectacular views that you will see. About 3,850 square feet. And the nice thing about this home is the lot here next door is owned by this homeowner and that homeowner there. And there's an undevelopable easement put on this lot, so this lot will not be developed. Come and take a look at this house. It does offer a lifestyle membership to Red Ledges. It's impeccable inside. Let's go take a look.